Riverwood Trader is everything you need in a general store. Hey!
I don't have any business with you, so get out of my face.
Let's begin the ceremony. It was Mara that first gave birth to all of creation and pledged to watch over us as her children. It is from her love of us that we first learned to love one another.
We're married. I guess we'll need to decide where we're living, won't we?
Hey, watch it. Huh?
Thinking I need to train some more.
Huh?